We have a lot to get to. Let's start with Tim Biggam for the Trader Rundown. Tim is with Delta Derivatives. And Tim, what do you think here? The S&P 500 hitting that record high in trading.
Yeah, absolutely. Great to be here as well, Ange. But I'm actually using the fact that now the S&P is joining the NASDAQ at all-time highs here. Implied volatility reached the lowest level since the COVID crisis began. So I'm actually buying some volatility to hedge the portfolio here. Still leaving my upside open, but like to put a floor in underneath here. Hasn't been this cheap since, all the shenanigans began. So I'm using UVXY to simply buy some calls here going out to September, hedging with shorter term ones to defray some of that cost. Just looking for a pullback somewhere along the way here, given the fact that this rally has been unabated for so long.
Tim, what's your trade of the day?
Yeah, actually, we're seeing a repeated buying in a name that rarely gets any volume, a lot, ALLT. This is post-earnings. They have been buying the September 12.5 calls, started several days ago, continued to. More importantly, implied volatility has risen on those. These calls are actually up with the stock pulling back. I always like that combination from a trader's perspective. So again, I'm just doing a simple buy right covered call trade, buying the stock at a cheaper level than it was 3 days ago, selling these calls at a more expensive level, just capturing that rich option volatility, leading bullishly with that call buyer in a hedge fashion.
Thank you as always, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.